Hey travelers! Today we take you on a honest hotel and room tour through the Dove Creek Resort on Key Largo.
The hotel was formerly known as the Dove Creek Lodge. So much in advance. It's an older hotel with a certain charm, but it sure could use some updates. But let's go in order and look at the room first. We booked a superior one-bedroom suite. It consists of a living room with sofa bed and a separate bedroom in the back area.
Here you can see the sofa bed in an unfolded condition.
Now let's go to the back, where the master bedroom is located.
Positive? The bedroom is separated by a door. The beds are comfy, the room is spacious and nicely decorated.
A simple coffee maker is also part of the room equipment.
But the quality of the TV reception is rather poor. The bathroom is functionally furnished, but you can see that it has come a bit of age here and there. The usual bathroom amenities such as soap, shampoo, conditioner and also a hairdryer are available.
The towels provided were lovingly draped by the staff.
There is even a cloakroom with ironing board and safe.
The room also features a fridge, which is very convenient to cool your drinks.
To our surprise, there is even a freezer compartment, so you could bring your own ice cream. It's great that you have your own screened pay show, from where you even have a view of the ocean.
The pool area is not very large, but for a short stay it is okay. If you like iguanas, you will like it here. During our stay we saw a lot of them and even other animals. If you look at this sign, iguanas seem to be normal here. Included in the price is also a free continental breakfast, which is quite sparse.
At least you can make waffles and there is coffee.
Since the air condition in the breakfast room was too cold, we enjoyed breakfast in the garden, which was very pleasant.
The hotel also offers various sporting goods for rent, but they are not really in a good shape. Right in front of the hotel you'll also find a renter of jet skis. But we spent our day with other activities, as the hotel is only a 15-minute drive from John Pennekamp Coral Reef State Park.
Take a look at our separate video on this great snorkeling adventure.
By the way, Also, Betsy, the famous lobster, is only a 15 minutes drive away. But that's a story for another video. Now to our conclusion. If you're on the road all day like us anyway, and are mainly looking for a cozy place to sleep, the hotel is fine. But if you're looking for a place to stay and like to spend the whole day in the hotel complex, you will probably not be happy here.
We would rate the hotel 3 out of 5 stars. In our next videos, we travel farther down the Keys and see what else there is to discover. We would be happy if you would be there as well. It's best to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything.